I will request all my students to put the microphone on and give a hearty applause to our champion, Ranjit, who has passed and got his license and is driving today. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Everyone, thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Bravo, bravo.
Congratulations.
रंजीत आखिर में लाइसेंस ले लिया है बढ़िया है बढ़िया है
Congratulations.
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो भाई
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for all your
Wait.
We are happy for you.
Okay, Ranjit, now I put everybody on mute. Now you can talk. Put your mic on. Ranjit, put your mic on. Start from the beginning. We didn't hear you.
I'm very happy today, and thank you everyone for all your lovely wishes. This is like one of the dreams come true to be in Italy and having a driving license. It opens up a lot of doors to you in life, basically. And staying in like a small town, car is a very necessity. In fact, when I joined Ambrish's class in last year, November, I was ready for the exam in 2 months, basically. And the way he gets you prepared for the exam is really fantastic. And I don't think I would have achieved this without his help at all. So my credit all goes to Ambrish sir for all his support and guidance throughout the journey. He has put very fantastic videos about how you can apply by yourself for the Patente and for all the exam, the theory exam. He also helped a lot during the practical exam, actually. He always tells to contact him for 4 to 5 days before your driving test, and the guidance he provides that time is very helpful.
And the two
Some
are
of the aspect.
Ranjit, whatever I told you, you don't need to tell them because they are convinced I do magic. They think I do.
No, I'm just giving them hint that you do magic, and it is a necessary, or it's a must point that we approach you for the exams, before the exams.
And that 2 hours before the speech I gave you, was it helpful?
Yes, it was really helpful. It built a lot of confidence in me to go for the exam, and my exam went really smooth. It boosted up a lot of positivity in myself when I went for the exam. Even though you are prepared a lot, but those fine words at the end moment from the right person really make magic and make you through all these hurdles in the course of time.
Very kind.
So this was really very nice.
Show us your trophy. Show us the license.
Yes.
Close up.
This is the license.
Very good. We're all very happy for you, Ranjit. Now you have a big.
Thank you so much, Steve.
Tell all your friends about us, okay?
For sure. I already started that. Really, I mean, everyone, whoever is approaching me for the driving license, there is only one contact.
Thank you very much, Ranjit. Wish you all the best. We're all very happy.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for the lovely wishes. Thank you, Ambrish sir. We'll keep in touch.
Goodbye. Definitely.